Do you want to know why you are still stuck despite all your hard work? The problem isn't the economy or your luck. It is because your brain is programmed to stay poor. Today, we are going to reset 12 of these destructive codes. Are you ready to face the harsh truth? Your first mistake is paying everyone else before yourself. When money comes in, you pay the landlord and the shopkeeper. First, you are rewarding everyone except yourself. The law is simple. Before any transaction, take 10% for your future. This is your freedom tax. Buying clothes and phones on credit is stealing from your future self for a few minutes of pleasure. If you cannot pay cash, you cannot afford it. Consumer debt is a chain that binds your dreams. Jumping into investments without 6 months of living expenses is financial suicide. Without this shield, you will sell everything at a loss during the first market fluctuation. Build your fortress first, then think about conquest. Do you upgrade your car with every salary increase? You have fallen into the lifestyle inflation trap. Real winners expand the gap between income and expenses. They do not create useless costs as they earn more. Managing money based on emotion is like driving blindfolded until you know where every cent goes. You are not the CEO of your life. Stop mental accounting and write everything down. Numbers do not lie. Extreme frugality limits the mind. Saving has a ceiling, but income is infinite. If you spend all your time hunting for discounts, you are ignoring your creativity. The wealthy buy time to make money, while the poor sell time to save money. Inflation and taxes are the silent enemies of your wealth. Leaving money in the bank is like watching your ice melt in the sun. You must learn to legally minimize taxes and turn your money into inflation-proof assets. Stop looking for magic signals or getting rich overnight. The market is a tool for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Lasting wealth is the result of compound interest, not luck. In one trade, relying on one job is living on the edge of a cliff. In today's world, security means having multiple skills and income streams. If you only have one way for money to enter your life, your risk is 100%. Build your skill stack. When everyone is buying, it is time to sell. And when everyone is afraid, it is time to buy. Following the crowd leads to a financial dead end. To become wealthy, you must have the courage to think differently. We buy things we do not need to impress people we do not even like. Real wealth is what others do not see. Instead of showing off, build your power in silence. Do not hide poverty behind phrases like money is dirty. These are just excuses to escape the responsibility of failure. Make peace with money and accept it as a reward for the value you give to the world.